Hey, how you doing? It's James with Weapon Camera. For this quick take video, I got the Metabones Speed Booster, Sony NEX to Canon EF adapter. Metabones claims that by reducing the image magnification, the field of view stays the same even on a crop sensor camera. For example, a 50mm stays at 50mm on an APS-C sensor. That also lets in an additional stop of light. This also gives you better color rendition, sharper images, proper field of view. It will also carry your bags to set. It'll make sure that you get paid. And that's it. So check it out. It's the Metabones Speed Booster, and it's going to cost you around $600. Cool.